Are you a local business wanting to appear higher up in the search engines and get more organic traffic to your website? If you are, you need to do these 5 things straight away. Get your business address and your phone number listed on your website. Needs to be on a contact us page. Get your Google My Business listing created and optimized. I've done another video on that, so go and check that out. Get your Google reviews ramped up, so make sure you've got customers leaving reviews on your Google My Business listing. Try and get on some local directories if you can. So that's business directories that might like host information about local businesses. And finally, get your website pages optimized for some local search results. So if you're a financial advisor, why not write a page on financial advice in Lancashire, or financial advisors Lancashire, or financial advisors Preston, and optimize that actual search term, so when people are typing it in, your page is more likely to appear.